everyone, welcome to the channel. If we are new to one another, my name is Jamie and here we like to talk about tech, lifestyle, and solutions. And today I have a video for you that combines all three of those niches into one. Now, I've been always super subconscious about the crowding of my lower teeth, but I've also been apprehensive about starting a clear liner treatment plan. One, due to the high cost of the liners and the treatment itself. Two, it's a huge commitment. You have to wear them for 22 hours of the day for close to 1 year, depending on your treatment. For me, it'll be 7 months. And even once you complete your treatment, you have to wear retainers every single night, pretty much for the rest of your life if you don't want the crowding or whatever spacing issues you had to reoccur. Apparently, teeth have memory. I don't know. Now, not gonna lie, I'm still concerned about all of those things, but the simplicity and the convenience of SmileDirectClub gave me the courage to just go for it. So basically what allows SmileDirect to be more affordable than other treatment plans is that you get to skip at the doctor's office altogether and your treatment is pretty much virtual. Now, they do have offices all over the country where you could go in and get a real-time scan of your teeth in under 30 minutes. That's exactly what I did here in Philadelphia. My experience was pretty good. Now, they were really busy and they were a little late to see me, but other than that, I did get a one-on-one consultation with a sales specialist. Again, was not a doctor, but he was very knowledgeable and professional. He was able to answer all of my questions regarding SmileDirect and the process going into it. Now, I gotta say, the technology involved was really, really impressive. You get to see a real-time scan of your smile, and you even get to walk away with some lip balm and teeth whitener. Now, if there are no offices near you, you could submit to have a molding kit shipped to you for free if you do in fact ship the mold of your smile back to SmileDirect. SmileDirect also has a nighttime treatment plan where you don't have to wear the liners for 10 hours out of the day, or in this case, night, but that treatment does take substantially longer. I'll go ahead and flash the pricing on the screen, so if you looked away, here it is now, and both plans are exactly the same, whether you go for daytime or nighttime treatment. And if you do decide to move forward to SmileDirect, they do quote a 3 to 4 week turnaround for your new smile to be shipped, or you could expedite the process for an additional $100, and they do quote around 2 weeks or less. I only waited 2 weeks and I didn't expedite the process, but I did receive a really cool video that also included the evolution of my smile after only 7 months. And although I did a lot of research to this prior, I do highly encourage you to at least go see a dentist before starting treatment, just to make sure that your gum and your teeth are in good shape. Personally, I think that's what's gonna make you a good candidate for this treatment plan where you don't get as much supervisory of a dentist throughout the process. So let's go ahead and see exactly what's inside the box, and I'll even try on my first set of liners in real time. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but hey, for the sake of views and those likes, right? Yeah, hit the like button. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. All right, so we have more lip balm. Cute, okay. We have mints. Mints, for whatever reason, we got some mints. This looks like where we put our liners when they're not in use, so when we're eating. And again, that's the only time you take them off is when you're eating. Some more whitening gel. Ooh, you got a $25 voucher for more of their toothpaste, their accessories, more whitening paste, and things like that. You get a prying tool. If they're really nudged in there, you use this little tool to take them out. Fizzies. Oh, so this looks like they're cleaning tablets for your liners. So I'm guessing you put them in some water and just let it fizz away. You get a liner wax. That's gonna require research. I'm not sure what that's for. And then, of course, my first set, ooh, it looks like you just pull, which is cute. My first set of liners, we'll set these off to the side. Let's see if there's anything underneath. You have a filing, it looks like a nail file. So I guess if there's any rough edges around your liners, you just file them down so they don't hurt your gums. And then you have a smile tool. So there are regular check-ins with your virtual dentist. They'll go ahead, you'll take some pictures of your smile with this smile stretcher. And you'll go ahead and you'll send that to your virtual dentist who will do a check-in just to make sure that you're progressing A-okay. And that's about it, what's inside the box. Most of it, it's all my liners. This first one here does say I have to wear them for a week. Patient's fellow grinner, only pull one set of liners at a time. So that's what we did. We only pulled one. It does say to save your liners throughout the process. So you save them in the little baggies, set them off to the side. Not sure why, but that's what it said in the instructional email that I received. Aligner 1, wear for 22 hours a day, and this one is for 1 week wear. And that 1 week wear starts now, my friends. Let's see. I'm a little nervous. I had a knife just in case. No knife, just tear it. Okay. Oh, goodness. All right. You ready? Here we go. It's so weird to do on video, but okay. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Top is in. My top wasn't too bad, but they are getting recessed a little bit. Bottom. Oh. Okay, the bottom is more uncomfortable, which is what I would expect. How's my speech? Not too bad, no? Not sure. Let me know down in the comments how I sound. Well, there you go. My first set of liners from Smile Direct. Be sure to let me know how I sound. If you do want to see more progress updates, be sure to follow me on Instagram or Twitter. And be sure to leave those well wishes for the new year in the comments section down below. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see ya.